In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Docusign is and how to register for an account. Docusign is an industry leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. This tool makes it easy to sign documents electronically, saving time and reducing the need for physical paperwork, which is a big plus for both individuals and businesses. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into the registration process. First, you'll want to navigate to the Docusign website. You can do this by entering docusign.com in your web browser's address bar. Once the homepage has loaded, take a moment to look around. The website is designed to be user-friendly, and you'll find various resources about how their services work if you wish to explore them on your own time. Soon after arriving at the website, your next step is to locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you're probably thinking, but I don't have an account yet, and you are right. After clicking login, you'll see an option to sign up for free. This option allows you to create a new account, which is exactly what we want to do. Go ahead and click sign up for free. The sign up page will appear, and here you'll start by entering your email address. Be sure to use an email address that you have easy access to, as you'll need to verify this email in the coming steps. Once you've input your email, the next action to take is to hit get started. Clicking this button will lead you through the initial steps of account creation, and you'll shortly receive a confirmation email from Docusign. When that email lands in your inbox, open it and follow the instructions to finalize the registration process. This usually involves clicking on a verification link, which will confirm that your email address is legitimate and working. If you don't see the email right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folders. By now you have successfully registered for a Docusign account, and you're set to start using their services. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the Docusign platform, from managing agreements to easily sending out electronic documents for signatures. Explore the tools available to streamline your signing processes further, and that's all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up your Docusign account, and you're ready to go paperless in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.